Hello, and welcome to day 21 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Yesterday we explored searching feature layer data, and today we're going to refine our search capabilities even further. We'll learn how to control the strictness of our searches within a feature layer by specifying the search mode. We'll start with our day 1 code as our foundation. As we've done previously, we need to include the Esri Leaflet geocoder, CSS, and JavaScript from the CDN in our project. In the JavaScript file, we'll set up our Haunted Places provider. We'll specify the URL to our Haunted Places feature service, define the search fields, and set up a custom label for suggestions. The key part here is the search mode option in our provider, which we initially set to contain. We'll then add the Esri Leaflet geocoding search control to our map and link it with our Haunted Places provider. Now, I'll test this out in the browser by changing the search mode, entering a query, and observing how the results vary with each mode. For today's challenge, I encourage you to integrate a feature where the user can see a brief description or information about the haunted place when they select a suggestion from the search results. And that wraps up day 21. Join us for day 22, where we'll dive into finding the route between two locations. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.